Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Sandbox video update for Saturday, 5th of February. Very quickly, join us into the Discord because we do have a Sand channel right now where we talk about this. And if you don't want to miss the Bitcoin updates as well, sorry for that. And I do actually come up with the Bitcoin updates daily. Now let's dive into the Sand. It's gonna be a very quick update, and it's been pumping like crazy right now. The crypto market is looking to reverse to the upside right there, and it seems probably like putting in a very big sort of like a bull flag. Let me actually see on the daily if we are confirming. Wow, we are confirming a bull flag on the daily. So basically, if this is the case of a bull flag right here, from here to here, and then from there to there, that's gonna be from the top to the bottom, just like that. And you're looking from wherever you're breaking out, that's gonna take you to the $5.510. Okay, so this is where you're looking to actually push to the upside. So if you're taking an entry right there, that's going to be a 21% gain for Sandbox as well. So guys, to me, this one is looking for a nice good continuation because of out of this bull flag right now, and then you can continue all the way to the upside to ride the journey. So basically, once you reach at this spot, make sure you're taking out your profits right there, because there could be another big pullback or almost to the downside to the 4.2, and then continuing waveforms, right? So yeah, so that's gonna be a very quick update for Sandbox. Hope we actually reach the target of the $5.4. I'm actually gonna bring this blue line right there, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.